Hello students, how are you all? मजे में? Okay. Now children, see, today we are going to see one more construction of triangle of, you can see problem set 4, where the question is the perimeter of triangle is 14.4 centimeter and the ratio of lengths of its side is 2:3:4. Means here the ratio of the length of its sides given to you and you have to construct the triangle. So see children, let the triangle to be constructed be triangle ABC. Means जो triangle हमको construct करना है, मान लेंगे कि वो triangle क्या है, triangle ABC. So now let's start the construction. First, draw segment PQ. Okay. See, you have to give any other name as I am giving here PQ. So you will draw segment PQ is equal to 14.4 centimeter. Okay. So 14.4 you have to take. So here is 14 and here is 0.4. So take 14.4 and give the name as suppose P and Q. So this PQ is how much? 14.4 centimeter. Okay. This is the perimeter of triangle ABC and we have to divide this PQ into the ratio 2:3:4. Okay, so we have to divide this PQ into 2:3:4 parts. So what we do now, draw ray PS making an angle of 30 degree. You can take any acute angle. Here I have taken 30 degree. You can take 40, 50, 60, any you can take. So here you will draw ray PS making an angle of 30 degree. So here I am taking 30 degree. Okay. Now draw a line or draw a ray passing through this point. Extend the ray and the name of the ray is what? PS. This is any other point I am taking as S. Okay, let me extend it more. Now draw ray QT on the opposite side of ray PS. Okay, making an angle of 30 degree. Here also you take 30 degree. So from here 0, 10, 20 and here is 30. So this is what we have drawn. Ray QT. See. Give the name as T. We have drawn ray QT on the opposite side of ray PS making an angle of 30 degree. Here also you have to take the same angle as we have taken here 30 degree. Now on ray PS you have to take 9 equal parts. As here the ratio given 2:3:4. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to how many parts? 9 parts. So you have to take 9 equal parts. Okay. So take any convenient radius, small radius, any convenient radius you take and draw 9 equal parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and give the name as here this is P point taken, so here you can write this is as P1, P2, P3, P4 and so on. Okay, similarly take 9 equal parts on ray QT. Okay, here also you take 9 equal parts. So see, 1, 2, 3, this is how we have drawn 9 equal parts, and give the name as this is Q. So what name you will give here? This is Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on. Okay, now children, what you have to do, you have to join these points. See, join P2 and Q7. Okay, here join P2 Q7, and here you join P5 and Q4. Why children? See, here the first part is how many parts? 2 parts. So here from here to here it is 2 parts, and from here to here it is 2 parts. So we have joined this from, and the last part here you can see 4 parts. So from here to here it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now see what you have to do next. Segment. So we have joined P2 to Q7, P5 and Q4 intersecting segment PQ. Here it is intersecting segment PQ in the point B and C. Here it is intersecting segment PQ in the point B and C respectively. Now you have to, what is the next step? With B as center, B will be the center, and radius you have to take BP. BP will be the radius, and draw an arc like this. You will draw an arc like this, and similar again what you will do, you have to take with center C, and the radius will be what? CQ. Take CQ as radius. Okay, and draw an arc like this. Draw another arc in the previous point of the arc A, and now triangle ABC is the required triangle. Join the segment AB and segment AC. So this is the required triangle ABC. I hope you understood this construction very well. Have a nice day children. Thank you.